This Mitchell Realty property video is presented by Emmy Mitchell. This one-owner home has so much to offer. The spacious floor plan offers 2 living areas, sunroom, large kitchen with tons of cabinet space, 4 sizable bedrooms, and an isolated extra room off the utility hallway that would make an ideal home office, hobby room or 5th bedroom. The lot is covered with trees and mature landscaping. There's so much potential here to make this well cared for home you can be proud of. For more information, review the details below or contact Emmy Mitchell at 806-576-4005.